Welcome to Mobile Shorts. Learn it fast, build it right. Discover how to use mobile web screens in your ServiceNow app to enhance user experience. Mobile web screens let users view and interact with web pages without leaving their ServiceNow app. Typically embedded as tabs or quick links, these screens can display any URL pointing to your instance. Common use cases for mobile web screens include embedding dashboard pages, KB pages, and catalog pages. Mobile web screens are a good fit when you have existing web content you don't want to rebuild natively, a tight go-live deadline, or content that updates frequently. Skip using them for performance-critical workflows, offline access, or deep native integrations. The rule of thumb: if the experience is view and light interact, it's a fit. If users rely on it daily, build native. To configure a mobile web screen, copy the URL of the web page you want to embed. Open Mobile App Builder, and from your app's main page, click the Screens section in the menu. In the pop-up, select Mobile Web and click Continue. Paste the URL into the configuration page. Your web page is now ready to use in your app. The ServiceNow Mobile Quick Start Guide helps creators use best practice mobile design. Access mobile documentation to configure and extend your app, and use the Figma library for ready-to-use components. Explore mobile platform resources for even more support. Thank you for watching this guide on mobile web screens. Start building your mobile experience today.